Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your health and fitness goals through delicious and nutritious vegan recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan recipes for weight loss, so if you're ready to embark on a journey to a healthier you, make sure to stick around until the end. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Crunchy Kale Salad. Our first recipe is a crunchy kale salad. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. To make this salad, you'll need ingredients: 1 bunch of fresh kale, about 6 cups, chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, a 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, optional, for a cheesy flavor, a 1/4 cup sliced almonds, lightly toasted, a 1/4 cup dried cranberries, a 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, a 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Prepare the kale. Wash the kale leaves thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or debris. Remove the tough stems from the kale leaves by holding the stem with one hand and pulling the leaves off with the other. Discard the stems. Chop the kale, stack the kale leaves, roll them up tightly, and slice them thinly into ribbons. Place the chopped kale in a large mixing bowl, massage the kale, drizzle the olive oil over the kale, add the salt and black pepper. Use your hands to gently massage the oil, salt, and pepper into the kale leaves. Continue massaging for about 2 to 3 minutes until the kale becomes tender and dark green. Massaging helps to break down the fibers in the kale and makes it more palatable. Assemble the salad, add the toasted almonds, dried cranberries, cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onion to the massaged kale. Drizzle with dressing. Drizzle the prepared dressing over the salad, toss and serve. Toss the salad thoroughly to ensure all the ingredients are well coated with the dressing. Serve and enjoy. Serve the crispy kale salad immediately as a side dish or as a light, healthy meal. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.